Hi there, my name is Sean and I'm an artist instructor with Vinci Eye. Today we're going to draw an owl perched on a tree branch. I'll be drawing this on my tablet for you to easily see, but feel free to use a pencil and paper. You can also follow along with this tutorial step by step using Vinci Eye for iOS and Android. The app lets you trace along with my drawings to help become more comfortable and understand exactly what I do. So let's do this. Remember to start out light, so using little pressure with a pencil, draw 2 circles for the face and a curved rectangle for the body. Now I'm going to jump right in and start shaping the face out. I add a carrot-looking shape right in the middle for the beak and 2 wide eyes. Remember that owl's eyes don't actually move, so make sure the pupils are always in the middle. I'm going in and adding details for feathers, texturing around the eyes, as well as 2 short tufts for the ears. Moving to the body, we need to give our owl a big wing. I always like to pattern my wings, so go ahead and add your own feather coloration. I decided for the chest of my owl to be a much lighter color, and indicated this by only lightly penciling in feathers in a downward direction. The talons are added to curve around our tree branch, but you can also stick them under your owl. Lastly, I'm going in to add detail to the branch and give the owl some tail feathers in the back. And of course, always finish your art by signing it. If you want to find more of my artwork, follow me on Instagram at phoenix.animations. Be sure to check out the Vinci Eye app as well as subscribe here for more tutorials. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.